We've teamed up with MorningSave.com and their lifestyle expert, Anna D'Souza, who is here to share some amazing inside deals at deep discounts. Okay, first up, Anna, tell me about this, the Oclean X Pro Digital Sonic Feedback Toothbrush with 4 brush heads.
Brooke, this toothbrush features a digital display that shows brushing results right here on the handle. And if you missed a spot, it lets you know by highlighting the areas in red.
You gotta keep us on task. Okay, what's the deal?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $150, but our price is just $49.99. That's 67% off.
Excellent. All right, up next, we've got a doorbuster deal. So tell me about this Lifeware Ultra Slim 1080p dash cam.
This dash cam features motion and crash detection that automatically starts recording when it matters the very most. Plus, the night vision LED ensures clear recording even in low light conditions. There is a limit of 3 per customer.
Okay, what's the deal?
Well, we've seen this sell for as much as $60, but our price, $15. That's 75% off.
Pretty good. Okay, finally, tell me about this Moonstruck short sleeve notch collar pajama set.
These pajamas are soft and lightweight, perfect for relaxing at home or winding down for the night. And the classic notch collar top gives you that I have my life put together even if you're eating popcorn for dinner.
They look so cozy. What's the deal?
Well, we've seen this set sell for as much as $60, but our price is just $19.99. That's 67% off.
Fantastic deals today, as always. Thank you so much, Anna. For more information about these deals, scan the QR code below or go to morningsave.com.